SketchUp Tutorial for Beginners. First, installation and choosing a version. Navigate to app.sketchup.com to use SketchUp Free, which is web-based. For offline work or advanced tools, download SketchUp Pro or Studio depending on your needs. Second, pick a template and understand the interface. After opening SketchUp, select a template like architectural, meters, or feet. Familiarize yourself with the workspace. You can draw with line and rectangle, edit with push and pull, navigation with orbit, pan, and zoom. The status/measurements bar shows real-time dimensions and hints. Trays on Mac or side panels contain materials, tags, and components. Third, navigation basics. Orbit is the key O, rotate camera around model, pan is the key H, shift view horizontally/vertically, zoom using the mouse wheel scroll, and zoom extends fits the model into view when you get lost. Fourth, drawing 2D shapes. Use line L, rectangle R, and circle C for foundational geometry. Type exact measurements, for example 40 meters or 3 meters, immediately after drawing to define sizes. Fifth, make it 3D with push and pull. Select a face and drag upward to extrude a wall or box. For example, draw a 4x3 rectangle, then push-pull to create a room. Sixth, editing and duplicating. Select elements, then use Move M to reposition them. Use Ctrl plus Move option on Mac to duplicate objects. Rotate, scale, offset, and eraser, refine shapes, and clean up edges. Eighth, materials and textures. Open the materials tray, select a texture like wood or brick, and click a face to apply. Apply different materials for realism in presentations and exports. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.